Hi children, today we will do exercise 7.6 question number 6 and 7. Okay, now move to the sixth question. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long. What is the meaning of that sentence? Piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long. That means that is the total length of the wire. I hope it's clear. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long means that is the total length of that particular wire. And what happened? Broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. So that 7 by 8 meter long wire broke into two pieces. And it is already given that one piece was 1 by 4 meter long. So how will we find the length of the other piece? Out of total length is 7 by 8 meter. Out of one piece the length is 1 by 4 meter. How will we find the length of the other piece? You have to do subtraction. Okay. So first you have to write the statements. It's a word problem. You have to write the statements. What is the total length of the wire? Total length of the wire is equal to 7 by 8 meter. A piece of wire is 7 by 8 meter long means that is the total length of the wire, and it broke into two pieces and the length of one piece is given there. What is the length of one piece? Length of one piece is equal to length of one piece of wire. It broke into two pieces and it is given that length of one piece is equal to 1 by 4 meter. We have to find the length of the other piece. How will we find length of the other piece of wire is equal to? How will we find the answer, children? That 7 by 8 meter wire is broken into two pieces. One piece is 7 by 4 meter. How will we find the length of the other piece? You have to do subtraction, is it? 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. Listen children, it's a subtraction, unlike fraction subtraction. If the denominators are different, what you have to do? You have to find the LCM of the denominators. Find out the LCM of the denominators. What answer you will get? 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. What is the LCM of 8 and 4? LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Now the same way as you did the subtraction of unlike fractions. How will you find the answer? Write the first fraction 7 by 8. 8 into 1 will give the answer 8. So 7 into 1. What is the answer? 7 by 8. Take the next fraction 1 by 4. 4 into 2 will give the answer 8. So multiply 2 to the numerator also. What you will get? 2 by 8. So which are the like fractions you got? 7 by 8 minus 2 by 8. Here they are like fractions. That means the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, you can subtract the numerator. So 7 minus 2, what is the answer? 5, and write the same denominator. What is the answer? 5 by 8 meter. So what you got? Length of the other piece of wire is 5 by 8 meter. I hope this answer is clear for everyone. Now do the next question. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. That means that is the total distance she want to cover, is it? Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. So that is the total distance. Total distance is equal to 9 by 10 kilometer. Now continue the question. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 by 2 kilometer to reach her school. Out of this 9 by 10 kilometer, this half kilometer she travelled by bus. That means distance covered by bus is equal to distance covered by bus. What is the distance covered by bus? Is equal to 1 by 2 kilometer. So listen children, out of this 9 by 10 kilometer, 1 by 2 kilometer she covered by bus. So how will we find the distance she walked? How will we find distance she walked? Distance walked is equal to, out of this 9 by 10 kilometer, 1 by 2 kilometer she travelled by bus. So how will we find the remaining distance? You have to do subtraction. I hope the meaning of the question is clear. Again, it's a subtraction of unlike fractions. You have to find the LCM. 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. What is the LCM of 10 and 2? What is the LCM of 10 and 2? Is equal to 10. Now, what is the next step? Write the first fraction, 9 by 10. We know that 10 into 1 will give the answer 10. So, 9 into 1, what is the answer? 9 by 10. Like the same way, write the next fraction, 1 by 2. 2 into which number give the answer? 10. 2 into 5 will give the answer 10. So, multiply 5 to the numerator also. What you will get? 5 by 10. I hope this is clear. So, we converted the fractions into like fractions. That means 9 by 10 minus 5 by 10. Okay. So, 9 minus 5, what is the answer? 4 by 10. So, what is the answer? You got 4 by 10. Always you reduce the fraction to its lowest term. That means divide the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. So, 4 and 10, the highest common factor between, do the prime factorization and find the HCF. The highest common factor between 4 and 10 is 2. So, divide by 2, what you will get? 2 by 5 kilometer. How much distance she walked? 2 by 5 kilometer distance she walked. I hope this answer is clear. What is given there in the question? Total distance, that means distance from house to school is 9 by 10 kilometer. Distance covered by bus is equal to 1 by 2 kilometer, and we have to find the distance she walked. We have to find the distance she walked. How will we find 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2? They are unlike fractions, so we have to convert them into like fractions. Then only you find out the answer. So, try to reduce the fraction to its lowest term. That means find out the HCF of the numerator and denominator and divide by using the HCF. So, what answer you will get? 2 by 5 kilometer. I hope this answer is clear. That's all for today. Thank you.